Hello everyone, today we shall see how to use the shortest and the quickest method to provide solutions to problems such as this, especially when you are challenged with this kind of question in multiple choice questions. Alright, it says if P is to Q is 3 is to 4 and Q is to R is 6 is to 5, find P is to Q is to R. Very simple. Now what you are going to do is this. Because you are asked to find P is to Q is to R, you put it down, P is to Q is to R. All right. Now the question says that P is to Q is 3 is to 4. So we have 3 is to 4 here. That is P is to Q. And then Q is to R is 6 is to 5. Q is to R is 6 is to 5. All right. Now the problem now is how do we fill up this space and this space? Okay. Now this space is equal to the number that is very close to it, and that number is 4. So we put down 4 here. Then this space is equal to that number that is very close to it, and that number is 6. So you put it down 6. Then after that, we now multiply the numbers. 3 times 6 is 18. Is to 4 times 6 is 24. Is to 4 times 5 is 20. So P is to Q is to R is 18 is to 24 is to 20. But it is very clear that these numbers here are divisible by 2. So we divide through by 2. Now, 18 divided by 2 will give us 9. Is to 24 divided by 2 will give us 12. Is to 20 divided by 2 will give us 10. Therefore, P is to Q is to R. P is to Q is to R is equal to 9 is to 12 is to 10. And that is the solution to this problem. Thank you very much for your audience.